Hello everyone, my name is Adam K and I'm going to be presenting our project, which is the Mycollab project management software. It is an open source, so for me to be able to get into that, I'm going to have to go into this folder here. So I'm going to be starting the application from here. And also for the application to run, your system has to be Java enabled. So this is going to be running in the back end. And I'm going to be opening the the MySQL workbench as well. I'm gonna leave this open as well while we run the application on the other side. I'll minimize this. Okay, so now I can go on to Google Chrome, and this is it runs on the localhost 8080, and I'm gonna be logging in. So this is the Mycollab project management software. This is the dashboard, which has like a summary of everything that is going on within the project. Um, this is the unresolved tickets that we have. We have like a final delivery, which is due in 4 days. We have a project wrap up, which is due also in about 4 days. And we have our final report, which is due in 2 days. We have all the overdue tickets that are all here. So this is just a snapshot. So I'm going to be going through all the functionalities of the project management software one after the other. So when I go into projects, we've created about 15 projects in total. So we also created some SQL queries for us to be able to search and to search for projects. So assuming we're looking for any project and we're trying to filter every project starting with like a keyword like research, we can always type in the first three letters. It gives us all the projects that has the research word in it. If we want to try this project, we can try PRO. It gives us all the projects that comes with that. So CCSE brings up that one. So this is going to be our project. So I'm just going to be going into this so that I can explain a little bit of the tabs as well. So the messages function is the function and the part where all members of the project can always send messages to themselves internally for regarding the progress of the report. If any member needs to send any message to anybody via the portal, this is where they send the messages. The phases section is the section that gives us an idea of the roadmap of where the project is going to, what the project is trying to achieve, where they are at a particular point in time, and what they intend to achieve. As you can see, we have different tabs over here. We have the project wrap up, which if you click on it, it gives you an idea of what is going on regarding the progress wrap up. Like it's in progress here. You can put in some comments over here and everything. If I go back there, you have the final report, final delivery. You can always edit and delete it over here. Under the filter by status, it shows us the future, what we have to do in the future. We have how many closed tickets, and we have how many that are still in progress. So the phases section gives us an idea of what is going on with the project. We can always add a new phase here, and we can always print it out as well. The ticket section is the part whereby you can create a ticket if there's any problem, and it serves as an archive for you to be able to view what is going on and what the problems are. Once the problems are being resolved, we take the tickets off by resolving them. You can always add a new ticket by clicking on this tab over here, and it brings up this pane for you to be able to fill in the details. Files. The file section is where you can upload any files for every member of the project to see, and it serves as an archive as well. I can always click on one for you to see, which if you click on the download button, it downloads a file for you over here, and once you click on it, it brings out everything that you need to see from every document that you've downloaded. Pages section shows you a brief history of what the project management solution is all about, which is the Mycollab. This keeps it over here. You can always add a new one over here. You can edit this as well. User settings shows you every member of the project. For this project, we have 4 members, and they're all here. All the members are over here. The roles of each member are over here, and we can also assign roles. You can reassign roles if any need be. You can add a new role to any user over here. This is where we do all that. Also here, we can edit a project, we can delete a project, and so it's got so many functionalities. It's just helping every member of the research and the project being able to monitor the project in real time and to be able to give feedback. Now, while this is running, we can also go back in here. So here. So we created some queries which we've been using in the live environment. Like for instance, when I said that we could look for the amount of projects that we had, if I execute this query, the same thing that we saw in the live environment is what we see here, which is the total number of projects that we have, which is 15. If you also want to filter by all the projects that we have, starting with the letters cap, if we execute this, it gives us the total number of projects that we have that has the keyword capstone inside. If I execute this one as well, this is the one that has the keywords contract. So if I execute this, you see it has all this in there. Also, while this is running, we have a dashboard which gives us an idea of the status of what is going on in the live environment. It is a 99 efficiency of the MySQL. The network status is also running over here. The traffic that is running within the network and the website is over here. This is how you can monitor it. The client's connections, everything, the way it is connecting, and the usage, the status of everything going on in the live environment, you can find it over here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.